Very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm going to create one more scanner, which we are going to use for our positional trading, sorry, intraday breakout trading. So by using an ADR indicator, that was an indicator which we are created on a charting, and finally we find out that indicator works better on intraday for a breakout trade. So either it is a bullish or bearish. So both the market it is working good. So those who are using our scanners, so you may be able to you find a good opportunities in intraday as well as positional thing. So here we are seeing that a Glenmark which is giving you the breakout opportunity on third candle. So we normally ignore the first candle. Why? Because of very big candles, mostly gap up, gap down. So the first candle we are ignoring, but we are looking for a second and third candle that we have recently created a dashboard. Okay, so that dashboard will tell you how we simply finding out a breakout opportunity and which was working good, and at the same level which act as a good reversal point also, where you can take here where exactly taken as support. So if you are going to create we can create many scanners based on this ADR indicator. We already derived indicator, so that was working good for our intraday breakout. So let me just quick look at the dashboard. Okay, the dashboard we are looking for our positional trades. So ADR that we have recently created, the ADR. Just wait. I need to change the thing. So I'm just logging my account. Okay. Yeah, the dashboard. So we are recently created that less than 1%. This is what the dashboard. So where exactly the stock which is giving you some breakout trades. So in this case, I was just looking for a first, second candle, third, fourth, fifth. That's just the first 15 minutes candle after 9:30. So we will use this up to 10:30. So to the first candle, so only LTM entry is the stock which is happening in the downside. Okay, so because yesterday overall market is down, and now today it is recovered, so slightly from that level, LTI Mindtree. So only the stock which is happening in the downside, where you can see exactly that was closed below. Already we discussed. So that level also works as a support. So here the case it is act as a support, but we are looking for a trade opportunity. It closed below the level, we are looking for the sale opportunity below to the low only. In this case, it is not broken the low. Maybe here the second, this candle high and recent swing low, it may act as a support. This particular case, it is not killed down. Instead of that, it is moving well in a ADR based ADR lower level. And some of the stocks from this top list, so M&M L&T should be good liquid. Ramco Coromandel is not good liquid for option in second 15 minutes candle. So how do we find out an option trade with this particular ADR indicator? So this may be a good stocks, not liquid yet, and this may be okay, not liquid mostly. That is okay. So here it is a very low value stocks. This is also not liquid at this level, and this is not liquid, and S-Catch may be liquid. So today's scenario, so we've seen M&M, L&T, Glenmark, Infosys, and REC, Godrej. So maybe around filtering out some 6 stocks. So how it works on in today's scenario, so that we can look at M&M and L&T that was happening on the second candle. We are simply ignoring the first candle stocks. Okay, so first candle should be very big. In this case, I'm just looking for an opportunity at this point, where I'm just looking for an option trade. I will be taking ITM. So maybe around 0.75% stop loss, and it will give 1.5% maximum. That is a good opportunity which we are funding on the second candle breakout, and M&M which you are going to see already, I think. So this is also the second candle. From that point, less than 1%, we are looking for an opportunity 78, and a maximum it moved nearby 80. So 1:1 already that given, and another one Infosys which you are looking for, and this is the third candle breakout. on our ADR level. So from that, maybe around 0.6, and it was generating 1.25. And Glenmark with the third candle. We are simply ignoring the first candles. I don't want to take it first candle here also. Mostly recovery today happened so after the big correction. So you can look at the first candle down, so we can ignore it. Something like that. That's a 15 minutes candle we can take as a stop loss. Sometime after a gap down. So what was the scanner I'm going to create in this video? So you can look at this, the scanner which we are going to work for us, lower level ADR, lower ADR. So ADR. Hope you understood. The lower level ADR, that means that there is a gap. So like the camera, so lower level camera and see where sorry, it's not a narrow, it should be a over value kind of thing. So here you can look at this, this is the gap between the CPR, and that will working well. That is already discussed about this, but we are not creating a scanner. And so we can try to create a scanner because one of my students were asking about that kind of ideas. So that may be working well. So then I'm going to create and I'm going to share you. And one more thing, so previously we made a two scanners like pullback from EME 50 and EME 200. So that is added in our paid group. That is a premium group. Okay, so if you want to modify that, you can make use of that particular scanners. So daily time frame, positional one. Okay, so if we come to this particular indicator, so that scanner, simply you are going to make a scanner, create a scanner, and I already created a custom indicator, so it is maybe very easy to find out that. So area, you can see this much of a scanner I just took from that. So daily area must be less than ADR on day ago. So let me check whether it is right. Then you can incorporate with this much of stocks, whether I'm right or wrong. So almost 133 stocks. I think I'm just made a mistakes. Copper. Yeah, I think it is about comparatively lower. So let me go to check Adani Enterprise. Mostly, yeah, that's right. Maybe test it and mark test, then it will be easy. So the scan, I will be making a test. Let me come to the bottom. So what happened yesterday? So if we find any big stocks, because I have due to big gap. So BL, Cipla, Tata Power 2 days back. So let me check Tata Power. Comparatively lower than the higher area must be lower than. So here it has not happened. So Tata Power. Okay, let me check. It is Monday ago. That should be 2 days ago. Let me find out in copper, Adani Enterprise, lot of stocks. So Adani Enterprise. Yeah, you can see previous also it is lower. So we are looking for that particular stock, and we are going to expect that area I should break. Okay, so such a thing which is formed, but even after forming that, okay, so daily and latest. Okay, so we have to 15 minutes breakout. So ADR, the close of the particular first 15 minutes candle. So that should be must be greater than ADR I. This one. So here it should be a daily value. Let me check. 73 stocks today. So maybe yesterday we can check. Here we are taking 15 minutes time frame, right? So yesterday around 9:30, 13th March, Godrej CP. So if it is okay, then the formula will be what Godrej CP, Godrej CP consumer product. So yeah, perfect. So here it is happening that close which is happening on the candle, but high above that particular thing we are looking for. So exactly the condition which I'm making on this particular scanner is nothing about. So the higher ADR, and it must be lower than the this particular previous day, lower ADR. So there should be a gap between the previous day and today. And next day, the stock must close above the level, and we are expecting the breakout. So at a low level, so now that is the main idea which I'm looking for. The conditions. Okay, so here the condition that will help us to find out. So let me check a random REC Tata Power. Let me check REC. And here REC that was closed above. REC, yeah, we are talking about today, na? REC, that's okay. Tata Power, because of huge storm, so a lot of stocks we got, the both are quite working well. So our scanner and the same like that, we can expect for a trending side for a trend reversal also. That will work as for an intraday. So mainly for an intraday trade opportunity using that scanner, that will work. So let me save the scan in a simple code, but it is a very bigger conditions which you have created with this. And I'm not going to share the scanners, only people who have the access to this, my kind of custom and premium scanners. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you.